Hey guys, from Block Versions here. I'm going to be showing you a different thing today. Today's video is on the Lion Chief remote app that Lion Chief releases for their Bluetooth units. You're going to hit yes, and it's going to turn on. I'm actually going to turn the power, and I'm going to hook it up to that train that the diesel is on. Bring the diesel around and close that. So the engine you need, let me get it, is your Lion Chief unit, basically this one. This train is ran off of a different supply. I just finished wiring everything, so everything is good to go. Let me set down the Lion Chief engine. Look here, let me make sure that's thrown in. Let me turn the power on. I just made some repairs, so the track isn't as good as it should be. Reach down, grab it, it plugs directly in. I just flip the controller, turn it around. It's coming around now. There it comes. Oh, it's running up against that road surface. So you need your diesel off track, as you can see, I took it off. So it's going to sit up here temporarily. Now what you need is your Lion Chief engine, which is basically your normal Lion Chief remote. And you need your engine. It does have a remote. The remote is actually sitting, I think it's sitting over there somewhere. I wanted to do a review on this, but I had complications. Other things, so there we go. Now you need your remote, which is right here. This is your remote. Turn up the power. I'm going to hit search, and it's going to try and find the locomotive. There it is, right there. And we'll hit that. We'll hit connect. So it's making a indicating that sound is running. You've got bell, whistle. It's your announcement.
Hello there. I'm the engineer for the Santa Freight.
I've got it forward, so we'll power it up. Let's see, low. Real quick in the settings, I'm going to turn this smoke off. Up, no emergency. Out. Bugger. There it goes. Oh, look. Stop, yeah. There it went. Up. There it goes. Ah, son of a bitch. Go backwards and it's the coupler. The coupler is opening at every angle it gets. Come on. No, damn, it went too far. Well, we're taking the car out because it went so far forward that says a loose top. I probably should fix that top sometime. Sit there. since I've dealt with it. It's still going. Nope. Other way. There it goes. For some reason the coupler is popping out. I don't know if it's just the coupler, if it's the unit. But it won't stay fastened. You gotta push it to get it to fasten. Now I'm talking about the app because I've used the app before, and the app is actually pretty cool. It's got to be something with that coupler. Yeah, see, it's with the coupler. Yeah, it gets about halfway and it stops because the coupler pops open. Oh, it derailed. The wheel popped off. It's because it popped off. The track wheels popped off. Oops. Come on. No. God, it leaves the train behind. Back up and get your train. I'm gonna have to go over there and manually hook it up. I don't like this. I don't like the coupler. Coupler hates the train. I don't know if it's the coupler. It's the coupler because the coupler wants to pop open. And I gotta be careful when running it across that diamond. And then this is Joshua Lionel Colon. He's been dead for about 1,000 years, so don't ask how he's doing because he probably won't tell you much because he's dead. Come on. There it goes. Slowly. See the smoke. You can kind of see the smoke coming out of there. Son of a idiot. It's your train, man. Go back and get it. God. Son of a bitch. The engine literally thinks that every single time it's got to enter a bend, the wheels have to immediately derail. This train doesn't want to work right. This is a motor for another engine. Motor came out of something that I don't know what it was from. Come on. There it goes. Take your train and go. God, son of a goddamn it! You fucking it's jumping all the time. It's every corner the train gets, it's gonna jump. It's a pronoun issue. This is why this shit doesn't get run as much because the wheels do not like turns. They love to jump on every time there's a freaking corner. It just jumps. So I need to make some repairs probably. Come on. Can you just enter a bend without a problem? I'm trying to go slow because I don't want it to jump off. This car is getting hung up. I'm going to have to pull that car off. It's coming into this turn now. Stop. Idiot. Look, you're the problem. You're popping open. I plan to pull this anyway because it's acting stupid. God, son of a bitch. You Scott, son of a bitch. You want to derail in every freaking corner, and then you have to uncouple because it's time to not couple. It's time to uncouple. This doesn't work. I've tried everything to get it to work, and it just doesn't work. I guess that's the end of it. I thought I'd show that to you, but since I'm having issues, but I've got a surprise upstairs. Darn it, stay up there, speaker, do not fall. So I have one more surprise, and then I'm going to go back to what I was doing earlier, which is I ain't been doing nothing. And I'll show you that surprise here just right now. They had a flea market going on today. Kind of a picker's flea market was going on at the today at 316, and there was a guy with a booth there, and he, how much? And he said 15. So I picked up this. I've been looking for one of these for a while. This is the Lionel 3-rail low scale operating New York Central boxcar, the 3464. I have the other kind of weird variation here. This is another 3634. This one's got the blue man. This guy's got the white man. Someone can tell me what's the difference between the blue and the white faced man? Just let me know. We need. This actually had the screws were cracked, and so there was no way to save the holes. This one's a lot better. I actually changed the wheel on this. These are the original axle covers that were on them, and these were staple in. There's one more of these actually, and now it won't open. As you can see, there's two of these. One more. I'm not gonna tell you guys. I'll show it to you. I have an airy version, but in here, I'm gonna just show it to you and be done. No other alternative is something I also picked up. It's in here. It's on this Micro Racer's car and this one. It needs to have a wheel replaced, coupler replaced. It's a 5900 6454, but it's a NYC that's a brown one. I've never seen a brown one. And the Micro Racer, I was going to get the whole set, but I didn't get it. Sad. But that's all. Bye, folks.